bearing the aid of divine providence. The University of the East dedicates itself to the service of the country and God and declares adherence to academic freedom, progressive instruction, creative scholarship, goodwill among nations, and constructive educational leadership.
Inspired and sustained by a deep sense of dedication and compelling yearning for relevance.
The University of the East declares as its goal and addresses itself to the development of a just, progressive, and humane society.
Our vision.
Our vision.
Our vision.
Our vision.
Our vision.
As a private, non-sectarian education of higher learning,
The University of the East commit itself to produce
through relevant and affordable quality education, morally upright and competent leaders in various professions.
imbued with a strong sense of service to their fellow men and to their country. College of Arts and Sciences shall endeavor
To provide the students a diversity of learning strategies